So we prefer them first, but next time we'll try everyone to join. Thank you so much. Next, I would call Saurabh Gupta from Australia. Saurabh Gupta, are you there? Saurabh Gupta, he was there. Okay, let's move on. Maybe after some time, we'll again try. Maybe he's logged out. So, is Gaurav Agarwal there?
Yeah, hi, hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, very much. Go ahead, Gaurav.
Hi. Hello, everyone. I'm Gaurav. I'm from Computer Science branch, 2004, class of 2004. I'm in Singapore right now. In fact, I have recently shifted to Singapore from London. So, yeah, first of all, I would like to thank the organizers of this meet because unfortunately, I have lost touch with everyone. Of my college batch after 2004, and unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to visit the college after 2004. So yeah, this is really good, and listening to everyone, seeing everyone, I think the next time I go back to India, definitely I'm going to visit the college. So thank you to the organizers. And I would say that the time I spent in the college, those 4 years, I think they were, I would say, a roller coaster ride because that batch was special in the sense that the students and the university and the teachers, I would say, were pretty clueless. I would say, so because it was new for everyone. So I mean, teachers were really good. They were experienced and they were really passionate. I mean, when I look back and I remember some of the teachers, they were so passionate about teaching us. If only if we were that passionate, then. But anyways, so yeah, so it was a good time. It was a good time, really. And as you know, as other people said, that the whole college was actually coming up around us at that time. So yeah, I'm really excited to visit the college whenever I get a chance next time. So yeah, that's good. And about me, I'm in Singapore. I work for a French investment bank. It's named Credit Agricole. I work in risk IT. So yeah, last 6 years I was in UK. We recently shifted to Singapore. Still settling down, and good to see everyone. Good to see everyone. Yeah. And I think I would just like to mention that in any which ways, if we are able to contribute to the college, then I think I would be really happy to do that. If even if I have to spend some time or anything, if we can help the people, help the the new students who are coming up, uh, I think that is something which I would personally be really interested to do.
Thank you so much, Gaurav, for your such a wonderful thought, and we will definitely try if we can take your help at
Yeah,
some level. Thank you so much. And
thank
now
you.
I would request Mr. Ravi Tyagi, Pennsylvania. He's from Pennsylvania. Is he there? Ravi
Mm.
Tyagi?
Yeah, I'm pretty much here. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you. Okay. Go ahead, Ravi.
Hey, so good morning, good evening, and some of them has good night about to be. So hi everyone. I'm Ravi Tyagi. So I'm also for 2004 batch, but I did join as a lateral entry. So I was there is a provision. I'm not sure it is still there or it is not there. So earlier there was a provision that you can join directly in second year if you are coming from polytechnic or diploma. So I joined second year over there. I will not say that I saw all the hurdles what every other person faced. Reason because things might be getting set up in 1 year, and from 2002 to 2004 things was kind of normal. I also would like to mention that I believe we were very first batch of UPTU. So like RKGIT, so our batch was very first batch of UPTU, UPTU, and we were keep struggling that what kind of paper format would be. So that is something I can recall that time, that we so like someone mentioned that we were clueless. So we were even clueless about the paper format. So even UPTU was new. So we were quite experimental. And I think it's kind of nature. Even today we are experimental. We do experiment with our other daily stuff as well. And we can take chance, because we took chance that time as well. And about me, so as Poonam mentioned, so I'm Ravi Tyagi. So I'm here in Pennsylvania. So I moved somewhere around 2014, 15. I did chance to visit India in 2018. And I just want to share that incident. So I was passing through in front of my college, RKGIT, and my son was with me. So like you have a attachment, right? So when so you feel like it's my personal college, right? I'm not claiming that building is mine, but you have a kind of personal attachment with things. So I was telling to my son that, look, this is my college, and we did our graduation there. So he asked me, oh, Dad, let's go and visit. So I was really hesitant. I thought that maybe because batchmate is not there and faculty might be changed. So I don't know, anyone will recognize, and maybe I feel ashamed if I will go there and no one will recognize me. But next time, whenever I will come for sure to meet everyone. And at least I will give my kids to get a chance to look that from where we started. So, and things are pretty better. And about me, as I mentioned, I'm Ravi Tyagi, and I was in computer science branch. I did join as a lateral entry, and Pawan sir know pretty well, because I bothered him a lot when I was applying my permanent residency here in the United States. So I was chasing him with every other document, and he was really kind of friendly and he helped me a lot with those things. So I really appreciate that. And thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Ravi. And if you come next time, everybody will recognize you. Don't worry.
Yeah, sure.
You will definitely recognize. Okay. So I think Saurabh Gupta has joined back. Can we hear from you, Saurabh Gupta? Saurabh?
Yeah, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So hello, everyone. Saurabh Gupta. I'm from the CS batch of 2004. Right now, I'm settled here in Sydney, Australia, and I've been here for quite a number of years.
Can we have your video also, Saurabh? We can't see you. I can't see.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay, how do we? Okay.
Okay. Yeah, we can see you. Again,
okay.
It's gone. Yeah. That's okay. It's okay.
Okay. All right. So yeah, cool. So yeah, so it's about 2 a.m. over here. So if you see puffy eyes, please ignore them. So yeah, so as we're saying, been the first batch of RKGIT and now settled here in Sydney. Great to see all my friends back from those days. You know, Pratik, Shri, and Sandeep, Syed, and everyone, and you as well, Poonam ma'am. So yeah, look, we're from the humble beginnings where we started. I think we all have come quite far and doing great in our own careers. I am here in the banking and industries. In the AML CTF, anti-money laundering, counter-terrorism finance area. Because of I think Corona and everything, I haven't gone back to India for a couple of years now. So next time, I think I'm a localite from Ghaziabad itself. So if I visit my country, obviously my state, my home, RKGIT is not too far from where I live, so I'll definitely visit. Yeah, that's pretty much it from me, ma'am.
Thank you, Saurabh. And I still remember, and you also remember, what I used to call you. You were always in tension. So if for your puffy eyes, I will think that you are in tension. Okay, thank you so much.
Not anymore, I guess.
Not anymore. Okay. So next is Gaurav Kansal around. Gaurav Kansal, I saw he joined. Gaurav?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Gaurav.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. Well, I think among all my batchmates, I seems to be more fortunate because I'm a localite. I was a day scholar. And so just before pandemic hit, I came back from Paris. I was in NG Solutions as the area for India and Asia Pacific region in rail transportation. So I'm coming from Electronics and Telecommunication 2004 batch. And I'm very happy to connect to all my batchmates. Recently, I got connected to Ravi and Dipanjali, who are in UK, and I requested them also to do a favor to send their video clips for this alumni meet. So thank you, Ravi, and thank you, Dipanjali. I'm very happy to meet the other batchmates from IT and computer science. I was not aware that many of our batchmates are so established and have gone to different parts of the world. So since everybody is sharing, I can share a little more experience with all of you that during this COVID time, I had been to college once or twice. And I can tell you that college is no more what we had seen in 2004. Many of us might remember that we have this field in front of our college where we used to play cricket sometimes. So now all these areas are flooded with the buildings and different batches and courses are running all over. So the college has progressed a lot. And I wish college progress like that. Also, it was fortunate that from Electronics and Telecommunication, our director at that time, the head of the department, has again joined back the college and taking the electronics branch further in the direction. So currently I'm in India. I look forward to come back to Paris as soon as things goes normal, because I understand now again in France, the second wave is coming up. So I wish you all to stay safe and stay healthy, and let's remain connected, and let's try to help project in order to take the students, and try to help them in building up their career. Thank you so much. I'm very happy.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you so much. And is Ravi Pratap Singh there? Has he joined? He was trying to join, but he could not join. So if he's not there, Abhay, I'm going to call you. You introduce yourself, give your sharing, and a song from you. Abhay?
A Jaggeer Singh song or just a song?
Anything he likes.
Thank you.
Good singer,
thank you.
Hi, Abhay. How are you?
Hello, ma'am.
Good to see you after such a long time.
Namaskar. It's very nice to see all of batchmates. And thank you, ma'am, for inviting me in this meet. So first, let me talk about me. So I'm from 2004 Computer Science branch. And my batchmates, Prateek, Nakvi, and Dipanjali, so they have talked a lot about our days in college, the initial days, the first batch and everything. So that is a very unforgettable memory, I would say. And to each and everyone's life, the college life is something which they never forget. And for us, it was much more special because everything was first. We were the first batch in UPTU, as somebody mentioned. This was the first university which was established at that time. So all these memories, whenever some of us, like me, Prateek, or Ankur Bachuka, we talk about, we cherish those memories in hostel and college. So after passing out in 2004, I joined NIC on contract basis, National Informatics Center in Delhi for 2 years. And in 2006, December, I joined HCL Technologies in Noida. And from there onwards, I'm still in HCL, but right now I have moved to United States in 2017. And currently I'm working as a solution architect in digital and marketing space, especially in analytics. And I'm currently working for World Bank Group in Washington, DC. So it's sounding a bit formal. So ma'am, thank you again for inviting me. And song, आजकल तो अधिकतर लोरियां ही आती है दिमाग में, as we already know.
लोरी नहीं चाहिए हमें, लोरी घर के लिए ठीक है.
लोरी सुनाई तो सब लोग सो जाएंगे.
हाँ नहीं, अभी तो
half of the audience will go.
अभी तो शाम
Okay,
शुरू
let
हुई
me
है.
think what I can sing for you guys. And
I think you should sing "हम तुम्हें परदेस में."
That's a good choice. And nowadays I keep on humming this poem. Let me sing it, the first part of the poem. उजला ही उजला शहर होगा जिसमें हम तुम बनाएंगे घर, दोनों रहेंगे कबूतर से जिसमें होगा न बाजों का डर. जू 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 जू. मखमल की नाजुक दीवारें भी होंगी, कोनों में बैठी बहारें भी होंगी, खिड़की की चौखट भी रेशम की होगी, चंदन से लिपटी हंसेहन भी होगी, संदल की खुशबू भी टपकेगी छत से, फूलों का दरवाजा खोलेंगे झट से, डोलेंगे महकी हवा के झोंके, तारों को छू लेंगे गर्दन भिगो के, आंगन में बिखरे पड़े होंगे पत्ते, सूखे से नाजुक से पीले छिटक के, पाँवों को नंगा जो करके चलेंगे, चरपर की आवाज से वो बजेंगे, कोयल कहेगी कि मैं हूँ सहेली, मैना कहेगी नहीं तू अकेली, बत्तख भी चोंचों में हंसती सी होगी, बगुले कहेंगे सुनो अब उठो भी, हम फिर भी होंगे पड़े आँख मूंदे, कलियों की लड़ियां दिलों में गूंदे, भूलेंगे उस पार के उस जहां को, जाती है कोई डगर, जाती है कोई डगर, के चांदी के तारों से रातें बुनेंगे तो चमकीली होगी शहर, उजला ही उजला शहर होगा जिसमें हम तुम बनाएंगे घर, दोनों रहेंगे कबूतर से जिसमें होगा न बाजों का डर. आओगे थक कर जो हाँ साथी मेरे, कांधे पे लूंगी टिका साथी मेरे, बोलोगे तुम जो भी हाँ साथी मेरे, मोती सलूंगी उठा साथी मेरे, पलकों की कोरों पे आए जो आंसू, मैं क्यों डरूंगी बता साथी मेरे, उंगली तुम्हारी तो पहले से होगी, गालों पे मेरे तो हाँ साथी मेरे, तुम हंस पड़ोगे तो मैं हंस पड़ूंगी, तुम रो पड़ोगे तो मैं रो पड़ूंगी। लेकिन मेरी बात एक याद रखना, मुझको हमेशा ही हाँ साथ रखना। हमारी शुरू हो जहां से, हद हाँ हमारी शुरू हो वहां पे, तारों को छू ले जरा सा संभल के, तारों को छू ले जरा सा संभल के, उस चांद पे झट से जाएं फिसल के, बह जाएं दोनों हवा से निकल के, सूरज भी देखे हमें और जल के, होगा नहीं हम पे मालूम साथी तीनों जहां का असर, तीनों जहां का असर। कि राहों को राहें भुलाएंगे साथी हम, ऐसा होगा सहर, उजला ही उजला शहर होगा जिसमें हम तुम बनाएंगे घर, दोनों रहेंगे कबूतर से जिसमें होगा न बाजों का डर।
Thank you so much, and a big round of applause.
Very good.
And I remember those days जब कहीं पर भी singing competition होता था तो हम अभय को भेज देते थे and he would get trophy for us. So he was the singer of those days.
Really
Thank
nice,
you, Abhay.
so nice.
Thank
And
you,
I think,
thank you
if
everyone.
Ravi Pratap is not there, I'm through. I have introduced all 2004 alumni. If anybody is left, please tell me, and otherwise over to Priya. Thank you so much, everyone. Priya ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Even we were in the journey of 2004 batch.